Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. First, let's open the settings application and tap to personalizations, then tap to always on display section, and just to activate this option we should click only on the switcher. If you want to change the display options, so now for example we'll use AOD only in power saving mode. You can switch it to the schedule to set the start and the end time, or just to use it all day. Then just tap here to save. Also we can here change the info, which we can show on the always on display option. So now let's lock our phone and we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.